Hi, I'm Reyhane. Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you how to crochet hats, but this hat's very different and very beautiful. And for this hat you need a lot of color, for example green, yellow, red and cream. So can you guess which kind of hat I want to show you how to crochet? Tell me in the comment part. For this tutorial I use cotton yarn and the hook. The size of the hook is 30 mm and you need a pair of scissors and a needle to hide the extra yarn. So let's go to see how to crochet this hat. For first round I'm going to make magic ring under this part and above of this part and make just one chain. Then I have magic ring. And then into this magic ring I'm going to make just single crochet like this. We need 12 of these single crochet. Now I have 12 magic ring, and in the first stitch I'm going to make slip stitch like this. Then I make just one chain, and above of each stitch we need just one single crochet. 1, 2, 3 until we have 12 single crochet. Now I have 12 single crochet, and again I make a slip stitch in the first chain. Again make just one chain, and in the next stitch here we need just one single crochet. Again here we need just one single crochet. So in each stitch again we need just one single crochet until we arrive here, and in the end we have 12 of single crochet. When I finish this 12 single crochet in the first stitch, not here, this is the first chain here, make a slip stitch, and now you have this shape. Then you need to change the color of the yarn. I use cream color. Then I put the hook here. In the next stitch and make one chain, and then here again make just one single crochet. Then in the next stitch make just one single crochet. Then in the next stitch we need 2 single crochet, so 1, then 2. Again in the next stitch we need just one single crochet. Then in the next stitch we need just one, but here we need 2 single crochet. So keep continuous until you arrive here. In the end we have 16 of these single crochet. Now I have 16 single crochet. Then I'm going to make here in the first stitch make just one slip stitch. Again make one chain, and in the next stitch make just one single crochet. Again in the next stitch make just one single crochet. So in each stitch we need just one single crochet until again we arrive here, and in the end again we have 16 single crochet. Again I finish this round. Here this is the first chain, and here this is the first stitch. So in the first stitch I'm going to make just one chain, one slip stitch, and then we need to change the color of the yarn. Now I used yellow color of the yarn and cut the extra yarn. So again I put the hook here in the next stitch and make a slip stitch, and again here make just one single crochet, and then in each stitch we need just one single crochet until we have again 16 single crochet. Now I finished this round, and again I make just one chain, and again in each stitch we need just one single crochet. Now I complete this round, and then I cut the yarn and using different color. Again I use cream color of yarn, and then put my hook here in the next stitch and make a slip stitch. Then here again make single crochet, but here we need 2 of them, so we are increased. So in the next stitch again we need 2 single crochet. So in each stitch we need 2 of these single crochet, and in the end we have 32 of these single crochet. Now I finished this round, and again I put the hook here, so we have 32 of this single crochet, and we need 2 row more of this 32 single crochets. So again you need 32 of them, and again you need 32 of them. You need 2 row of this, but be careful, in each stitch you need just one single crochet. In the end you have 32 of these, and again when you complete again you need 32 of these single crochet. Now I complete, and I have 3 lines of this single crochet. Then I cut the yarn and use different color, for example green. Then I put it here, and in the next stitch I'm going to make just one chain. Then here again we need, I want to hide the extra yarn, we need one single crochet. Then in the next stitch here we need to increase, so I'm going to make 2 single crochet. Again here in the next stitch we need just one single crochet, and then in the next stitch we must increase, so I'm going to make 2 single crochet. In the end, when you arrive here in the end, you have 48 single crochet. Now I finished this round, and I have 48 of these single crochets, and then I'm going to make slip stitch, and then again I'm going to change the color of the yarn. So I cut the yarn, and then I use red color of the yarn, and then put the hook here, make a slip stitch and one chain. Then in the next stitch we need just one single crochet, but you don't make it in both of these loop. This is false. You must put the hook here in the back loop, exactly here, not both of them, in the back loop, and then make single crochet again in the back loop. So in each stitch in the back loop we need just one single crochet. Now I want to cut the extra yarn, so in the back loop here make just one single crochet until you arrive again here. Now I finish this round, and again I make a slip stitch in the first stitch and then cut the yarn and use a needle to hide the extra yarn. Wow, this is so amazing. Do you know what is the name of this hat? I love it. The name of this hat is sombrero. Very nice. I love this. This is traditional hat. So for the next step I want to put this keychain into this part. So I use these tools and then try to open this part. Then now I open this part and then I put it, for example, here, and try to fix them together. You must close this ring of the chain. Close. Yes. So this is finished. I like it. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. Thank you.